Today, I want to talk to you about the incredible power of setting goals and the exiting journey of achieving them. It's a journey that transforms ordinary lives into extraordinary stories, a journey that turns dreams into realities. Every one of us has a dream settled in our hearts, a vision of what we want our lives to be. Maybe it's starting your own business, writing a book, running a marathon, or simply becoming the best version of yourself. Whatever your dream is, I want you to know that it is within your reach. But dreams, my friends, need a plan. They need goals. Goal setting is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. It's about identifying what you truly want and committing to making it happen. But how do we set these goals? We set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Yes, the SMART goals. When you define your goals with clarity, you give yourself a clear target to aim for. It's like setting a destination on a map. You know exactly where you're headed. But goal setting is just the beginning. The real magic happens in the pursuit of those goals. It's the relentless determination, the unwavering focus, the ability to push through challenges and setbacks that brings your dreams to life. And let me tell you, the journey won't always be easy. There will be days when you doubt yourself, when the path seems unreasonable, and the goal feels distant. But remember this, the road to success is always under construction. It's the bumps, the detours, and the obstacles that make the destination so worthwhile. Every small step you take, every little milestone you achieve, brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate those small victories. They are the building blocks of your larger success. Each accomplishment, no matter how minor it seems, is a testament to your perseverance, your courage, and your commitment. And when the going gets tough, and it will, dig deep. Find that fire within you. Remember why you started. Remember the vision that set your heart on fire. Let that vision pull you forward. Let it be your guiding star. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who inspire you, and who challenge you to be better. Their support will be your anchor in stormy seas. Believe in yourself. Believe in the power of your dreams. Believe that you have what it takes to achieve greatness. Because you do. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Break free from those limits. Challenge yourself to reach higher, to go further. Embrace the journey with all its highs and lows, for it is in the journey that you will find your true strength, your true character. Today is the day to take action. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Take that first step towards your goal, no matter how small it may be. Action breeds confidence and courage. And before you know it, you'll be standing at the top of your achievement, looking back with pride at how far you've come. So, let's go out there and set those goals. Let's chase them with all our might. Let's turn our dreams into reality and our aspirations into achievements. The world is waiting for your greatness. Go out and show it what you're made of. Your journey to success starts now.